So hi guys, we are here today at Cagayan de Oro MacArthur Park and we'll be conducting an interview about the life and work of Rizal. Once again, I am LG Person Agorico.
I am Blair May Pobadora.
I am TG Brian Paz.
And I am Jayford Sabanal.
And come with us as we conduct our interview. So hi guys, once again I am LG Person Agorico and I am here today with Vernel. So I have a question. Who is Jose Rizal and why is he considered as a national hero?
For me sa kuha si Jose Rizal kay isa sa mga kanang considered nga hero dito sa Pilipinas tungod sa na-contribute sa country through sa iyahang mga poem nga ginahimo, iyahang mga personal na mga experiences dito niya gipabalik gipagawas bitaw ang iyang tinuod nga kanang gibati ba. So tungod adto kanang dagan nakabasa, dagan nakakita og nakakuan bitaw nakabalo nga ingana gyud diha yung experience ni si Rizal kanang kuan kining moro tong naibalan kanang bitong kuan lang siya kanang dili siya deep but kanang sa kuan lang nakuan sa mga sa eskwelahan naman tay history nga subject diba, so moro tong na hinumduman nga through sa yung mga poem dagan nakabalo nga ang experience ni Rizal kay digid siya sa yun, di ba? Bright kuan si Rizal bright kay na siya kanang grabe ka dato nga pamilya pero tungod lang sa iyang kuan, tungod sa apelyido mangguruto niya nga kanang ginakuan na siya sa mga tao ba pero bito gina-reject na siya. So kuan gining moro gito akong naiubalan gid nga kuan.
So sakto gid yan na like dako gid ang contribution ni Rizal especially during sa Spanish era no nga tungod sa yung, as you said katong iyang books ug iyang mga poems nga dito na gipagawas sa iyang mga gipangbati. So na-inspire ang mga Pilipino nga kuan kanang isulong ang ato ang kalayaan. So mao to ya, thank you kayo sa mga time.
So, hello guys. I am Jayford Sabanal and we have here another participant for our interview today. Then, can you call your name, yeah?
I am John Michael C. Inoy, grade 10 student.
Now, this is my question. What were the titles of Jose Rizal's two most famous novels and what was their impact on Philippine society?
Ang naibalan sa duha ka book famous na book ni Jose Rizal kay No Limitangere and Il Filibusterismo. And ang impact nga book before katong sa tong mga kaning ninuno na Filipinos is na-awake ang ilang pagka-Filipino ba nga ay gala ka dugay na tagi daog-daog sa mga Spaniard o mga Espanyol, so dapat mo tindog ta sa akong kagalingon og atong ipaglaban natong country kay kaning mo lagi na dapat dependent ang Filipinos og dili magsalig sa uban na country mo guro na kaning balig giawik sa ang mga libro ni Jose Rizal giawik ang pagka-Filipino sa katong mga nagbasa before para ilaban ang atong country. Mara na kon niya.
See, thank you, kuya.
Ako din si TG Brian Paz and kauban ako si
Mavidro T. Rodrigo.
what was Rizal's profession aside from being a writer?
Doktor siya o siya ang bayani dari sa Pilipinas o ma-remember gyapon namo siya hantod karon kay daki siya nagkuan sa tuwa sir ba nang nag-save.
So hey guys, we are here in Gaston Park and we have another interviewee and here's a question for where and when was Jose Rizal born and in his full name, do you have any idea?
I don't have any idea the full name of Jose Rizal, but the first name that I remembered was Jose. Because that was that was 155 years ago since since Jose Rizal was shot, diba, in Luneta, Metro Manila. I am not sure the exact date when was that shots happened, but according to your last question earlier with regards to what about it again?
Where and when was Jose Rizal born?
Born Dapitan City. Dapitan City. I'm not sure. Dapitan City was the last time was when Rizal was there to hide, right? Because of those enemy that tried to how do you call this, to para kunin siya kumbaga ba. I'm so sorry but I cannot answer the exact and the correct incident happened that many years ago.
That's okay.
I am not good in history kasi eh.
That's okay. Another question. Where did Rizal study abroad?
France or England? Basta between the two countries that I have.
Last question. Aside from being a writer, what was the profession of Jose Rizal?
He was a doctor. Actually, siya yung nag-opera ng mama niya kasi ophthalmologist kasi si Jose Rizal eh. That's the sure answers that I'm going to give you because I read that many years ago that Jose Rizal was a doctor and he is an ophthalmologist and he was the one who tried to make an operations for the eyes of her mother and the operations was successful. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Blair May Pugadora and we have another interviewee about life and works of Rizal. So, ma'am, I have a question. What were the titles of Jose Rizal's two most famous novels and what was their impact on Philippine society?
I think El Filibusterismo and No Limitangere. I forgot what this all about. This.
What do you think are the impacts of his novels?
Actually lang kanang nakalimot na gid ko unsa na siya about nga book basta kana I only remember the title.
I have another question. Okay lang. So, what do you think? What was Rizal's full name?
I can only remember Dr. Jose Rizal. That's it.
So, anything you know about him?
He's a national hero. He is a martyr. And
Okay, so thank you so much.
So hi guys, nami karon sa Gaston Park and interview naman si Tatay
Winnie.
So ang po tatay is ang sa'yo mong nabalaan about kay Dr. Jose Rizal, like anong importante siya para sa Philippine society?
Kan siya kay national hero man siya. Bayani siya. Natimaan siya pagkabayani ning pilit na posporo.
Para sa imong nabalantay, anong katong di ba si Rizal kay nagsulat siya mga libro?
El Filibusterismo o katong No Limitangere.
Tungod ana nga mga libro unsa ang naitabo sa Philippines during atong panahon sa mga Spaniard?
Yung libro niya murag makita mga digid siya magpasakop sa Spanish ipabarog gid niya nga Pilipino siya. Sumotong gidakop siya. Kanya wagid siya mo magtinalawan ba? Murag nagrevolusyon sila ni Bonifacio man siguro. So nan motong sa ilang paglaban sa nasod nga Pilipinas namatay gid sila. No, bisan gi firing squad siya wa gyapon siya mo hawa sa Pilipinas.
So, ano gito tayo like tungod sa mga libro nga gisulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal is murag na awaken ang kuan sa mga Pinoy no nga
Nakamuta sila kay murag ignite sila ba nga mabarog ta.
solo na to ang atong independence.
So muna.
Hi guys, we are currently here at SM Downtown and we have another participant for our survey interview and his name is
Hello, I'm June.
here's my question for you, sir. What do you know about Dr. Jose Rizal's life?
Well, all I can remember during my college days is that Jose Rizal is one of the isa siya sa mga pinakamagiting na tao siguro because it's been so long since I graduated, so I really can't remember well. Pero as far as I could remember, si Jose Rizal is marami siyang naiambag sa atin, especially sa Pilipinas.
Another question is, do you have any idea where did he study?
I think I was able to encounter that one, pero di na ako ma-remember exactly where that school was.
Last question, where was Rizal executed?
Ba yun? Yung sa park something.
Bagong Bayan.
Yeah, bagong bayan.
Okay.
Hello everyone, we're here at San Rio and we have another interviewee. So, I would like to ask if do you know what Dr. Jose Rizal's full name?
Jose
Petasio.
Jose Petasio.
Dili, nalimot ko sa
Jose
Ba't may ka ba?
Kakabalo, mansabay lang to, mansabay.
Sa inyo lang na-remember.
Si Rizal mo yun.
Jose Petasio Mercado Rizal. Yeah. Jose Petasio Mercado Rizal. Okay. So, I'd like to ask another if okay lang. Okay lang ba?
Yes po.
Okay. What do you think are Rizal's profession aside from being a writer?
La, I've forgotten.
Okay lang man. Any idea? You can try.
In my, sa kong own lang,
Yeah.
kong own opinion,
Yeah.
kuan, kanangga, marga, tabang bitaw siya. O sa other people.
By
Kan, kuan,
through his what?
kuan,
Okay,
kuan.
through his novels.
Oh, kana,
So, are you familiar with his novels? There are two, right?
kuan. El filibusterismo? O kuan, no limit. Mo ba to limit? No limit. Mo to siya ning?
No limit.
No limit ang hire?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So hi guys, I am here today at Ayala Centrio. Once again, my name is LG Person Agorico and I am here today with Miss
Jana Faith.
So I have a question that is related to the life and work of Rizal. So do you have any idea what's the full name of Dr. Jose Rizal?
I don't know, pero kanang sa akong ma-remember, Jose Protasio Mercado y Realonda, I guess.
Do you have any idea what are the two famous novels of Dr. Jose Rizal and what are its contribution to the Philippine society?
As far as I can remember, I think No Limit Tangere and El Filibusterismo.
So, for your knowledge, like, what do you know or what are the contribution of those novels to the Philippine society during the Spaniards or during the Spanish era?
I think it has something to do with the freedom of the Philippines from the Spaniards, something like that.
So, last question, ma'am. So, other than what I have asked previously, what other things or other facts about Dr. Jose Rizal do you know?
The fact that he grew as a knowledgeable child, and Dr. Jose Rizal is known as our national hero since he contributed a lot in our country. That's all.
So, mga siya, ma'am. Thank you kay ma'am.
So hello guys, today we found another person who can interview about what he knows or what his knowings about Dr. Jose Rizal. So, where and when was Jose Rizal born?
I can't remember if where, but I when, but where is Calamba, Laguna.
So I will ask another question. What were what was the full name of Dr. Jose Rizal?
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realanta. Sure if accurate.
And the last question, sir. where and when was Rizal executed?
I kanang hindi ko sure sa where ay sa when gyapon, but where is sa dapitan.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Based on the interview that we had conducted, all of our participants knows who Dr. Jose Rizal is. But what they know is what we call as a surface level knowledge, or what we call in other terms as a basic knowledge, but not the deeper lore that surrounds Dr. Jose Potasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Realonda. Also, according to our analysis, we can conclude that the youth are more knowledgeable about Dr. Jose Rizal in comparison to the adults, mainly due to the fact that the life of Rizal is a crucial matter that is embedded throughout our academic pursuit, in comparison to the adults who also encountered the matters of Rizal way back during their academic pursuit, which explains why their understanding of the matter has diminished over time.